Hi folks, Francesco here. Um, the reason for this video is I'm asking for prayer, and I'm not asking prayer for myself, but for two people actually. Um, Two people that I had to go back and one I didn't see in person, but there's a little boy, Mateo. He fell down and he was 4 years old, and he broke his front teeth, and he had to go to the doctors and stuff like that. And the kid has swollen lips, and there might still be particles of teeth inside his lips because he bit himself at the same time. And now he's got to like eat food and drink water, and he's really weak. So I asked for prayers for that little child. His name is Mateo. So if you could pray for him. I asked that you could, share this video, um, put it everywhere, post it everywhere you can. I asked this of my subscribers, and because we know how prayer is powerful. It's our arsenal. It's what we have in our holster. Is prayer. Prayer is powerful and it works. I also want to pray for a young man named Rix. He's actually an old friend that I've known for many years, and I've been away for about 20, and I just got back, and I got a phone call, from a friend, and I heard about him and saying that that Rick's has got cancer. And everybody gets upset, and they say, well, why, if God is real, like, why did he make this happen? This is the question that everybody always asks. If God was real, why is he letting all these things happen? It's because he gave, we all fallen short of the glory of God, and we forget that God gave us a choice in life. And some will believe and some won't, and many will not know him, but the prayer request that I'm asking is that for healing, and also to an awakening, and pray that he gets a vision, that God gives him a vision, gives him a dream, gives him something. I mean, we all know there's, down deep inside, there's some type of creator, the unbelievers or whatever it is. There's God gave us a conscience, and it's something like it's a window, it's a door to seek him, we know what's right and what's wrong, and he gave us this choice, in life. So some of us will always call on God when it's at the last minute, and some won't. Some are prideful, some are not. Everybody's different, this is why the relationship between you and God is a personal relationship. Every relationship with him is different. But Thanksgiving just went by, and people forget that Jesus was suffering on the cross. His beard was ripped off his face. He was spat at, beaten, whipped, laughed at, but yet a pure, innocent man that dies and takes upon our sins. We seek him when we need him sometimes, at most, or when we fall to a position where we need him at the most. But we never thank him. And that's what Thanksgiving is about, is to thank him. Thank him in prayer. Thank him in song. Thank him worshiping him. I don't want this video to go all over the place, but I'm asking for prayer. I'm asking for people to put it out there and spread this message. Basically, just spread this message. Tell people to pray for this young man and this young little boy, that his recovery gets well soon. Lucky that his fall, the little boy's fall, his teeth broke his fall. He could have fell sideways and hit his head on the concrete. And this is not something about the bad parenting or anything like that. The parent was right beside it. Some things just happen at a split second, and you can't. It's just things that happen, you know. So I'm just saying that if you could pray for this little boy, Mateo, and pray for Rick's clear of his cancer. He's too young. He's got 2 kids. He's way too young to go away just as yet. And I just have a feeling that this young man could do so much for the Lord, for testimonies. God says in the Bible to share your testimonies. I know that if he would recover from prayer, and if it's God's will, I have a feeling that just something is inside of me telling me that this man will do great works. So that's it. That's what it is. So if you can do that, I love you. I love you all. God bless. See you next time. Have a nice day.